Okay, for those of you who missed the Zoom on the 2nd of December, you need to get some materials added to your Google Drive. So the first thing you do is click on week 7, and then you come here to page 1 of your China study guide, and click on that. And you can make a copy, but I'm going to get both of them. So here's page 1 and page 2 of the study guides. Then the last one that you can see that they're up here as tabs at the top of the screen. Now, the new thing is the China Unit Power Note slides. So we are not taking slides or taking notes on pieces of paper to turn into me. You do not need to take pictures of your notes anymore and email them to me. All you're going to do is you're going to add the notes to this Google slide. So here we go. We click on Power Note Slides, click. And now I'm going to make a copy of this one just to show you guys how to do it. So we click on the blue box. It will automatically open up into a Google Slides that you are ready to edit. Okay. Now, these slides, so let's see here. They're all right there, ready for you to put your power notes in. So up here at the top, if I click on, let's say Zoom for the 2nd, and I clicked on it, and now it brings up this little box. It'll automatically take me to that particular slide. Okay. Then there's an arrow right here, and I can click to go back to the spot where I need to be. If I want to go to slide 6, I click once. This window opens up. I click again. Ta-da! Okay. So then I click the up arrow, and there we are. Okay. So as you are creating your slides, you can see I have these yellow call outs for you. A shift enter after you finish a line will give you a single spacing. An actual just plain enter will give you 2 spacings. So when you're doing your slides and your power notes, just be mindful that if you want to tuck a P2 under a P1, you want to use a shift enter. Okay. All right. So this is your slide for this assignment. So now we come up to the top and we go up here and you type your last name, underscore, and then your first name. Okay, press enter. Now we want to make sure that this goes into the shared folder that you have shared with me called History. So in order to do that, we're going to click on File and come down here to Move. And then the folder will open. So if you're in my Period 2 class, or, find your History folder. So I'm just doing it for Period 2 for now, and I'll click Move. And it will automatically be in the My Drive in my History folder. Okay, so I'll dismiss this. Now I'll go up to my study guide, and I'm just going to follow those steps again. Make a copy. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to change the name. There we go. Press enter. Go to File, Move, and I'm doing it in the Period 2 History folder. You will do it into your History folder. So I'm going to select it and click Move. Now this study guide, as we go through our lessons in the next few weeks, you are going to fill out this information, okay? And since now it is yours, you can edit it. Okay, next one. This is page 1 of our study guide. I'm going to click Make a Copy. And then once again, come up to the top, change the name. And now you don't have to share anything with me because you have already shared your history folder. So just be mindful of that. And I'll press enter because I will be able to see your progress all the way through. I can access your documents and because they are in that folder. So I'm going to click move again. So I went file, move, and I'm choosing the history folder and I click move. Okay, so now the big question is, where is that folder? Okay, so I'm going to come here to KPVSD. I'm going to log into my Google Drive. And I'm going to go to my period 2 history. I'm going to click right here, double click, and you will see that I have my study guide and I also have my China PowerPoint right here. And I kind of did a funny thing here. If you get extra copies, you can always move them to the trash. Okay, so I have extra copies. Now, once you do this, you don't have to do it again. Okay, so you should have 3 files in your folders. I'm going to open this up and you'll see that it looks exactly like the one from before. And now in the study guide, I can click on here. I can add answers. So we learned on 12/2 during the Zoom that the first dynasty was the Shia. So I put an X right there because up here is an X for the first dynasty. All right, so now I have one question answered at least, and so do you. All right, so I hope this was helpful. I will be coming back through and looking at these folders to give you credit for the Zoom. Have a good day.